Are you concerned, babe?
Because this is going to be a very interesting dish.
Babe, you only need to worry about one thing.
What?
Send nudes. No. Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
That wasn't as we haven't done a really wild, energetic one. We're tired. There's kids running around here. We're tired.
We haven't been sleeping.
We haven't. Look at my exposure. Oh, there we go. Oh, now you can't even see our face. Oh, we're a mess. No wonder we only have 220 subscribers. Meanwhile, Not Another Cooking Show is just breaking records, just killing it.
We're happy for him.
We're happy for him. I'm not jealous. Actually, I might be a little jealous, but that's okay. That's way better.
Way better.
So today, we saw a viral little Instagram social media video, and I said, babe, we should recreate that. So what are we having, babe?
I don't know what it's called. It's like carne asada and a cup of noodles.
With carne asada, cabbage, cheddar cheese. There's like a Foodbeast challenge. There's Cali tacos somewhere here in Southern California that makes it.
Yeah, in San Diego.
So we're gonna recreate that.
Yeah.
But let's see what you bought, babe. Let's see what you bought. What we're gonna need for our creation is fresh cilantro, a bunch of limes.
I can tell you that their limes were nice and very inexpensive.
What is that, babe?
Fresh pico.
Pico, cabbage. Is that cheese? Who's that cow on the cheese, babe?
That's Elsie.
That's Elsie the cow.
Yeah.
Of course, the cup of noodles, beef flavor. Of course, the marinated carne asada. Some charcoal for the little barbecue in the back. More limes, tortillas, a snowman towel. And what is this, babe?
That's for the kids to try.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
So that's all the stuff that we're gonna use to create this masterpiece.
Yeah.
Of cup of noodle carne asada concoction.
Cleaning the cilantro. That's my accent.
Yeah. You're gonna chop some cilantro, babe.
I love the smell of cilantro. We should take a cooking class. Like a knife skills class.
You mean watching Josh and Babe on YouTube isn't a cooking class?
No, like a knife skills.
Oh,
Like where we learn how to cut things.
gotcha. Oh, is your plants coming back to life?
The yellow one is.
Oh, yeah, but the other ones that you killed are...
Let me guess, the yellow one's your plant again.
Yeah, absolutely. I saw it on the barbecue. We got our little Weber grill here. And we got some charcoal. And we're getting that warm and toasty. We're gonna do the carne asada on the grill. We're gonna cook the cup of noodles. We're gonna mix it all up. And it'll be a pretty little contraption. This is not healthy. This is just for fun. This is just goofing off. Raw. Babe, the Josh and Babe cooking show, you can't talk about you hating to touch meat because you're teaching people how to cook great dishes, babe. You're really providing a service to humanity.
I mean, babe, I'm pulling meat out on the cement where there's leaves under.
That's not true. You have a bag under your foot. This video a hot mess so far?
Hey, we're a hot mess.
We're not a hot mess.
Usually.
Well, this is a funny video. But nobody's laughing.
I think we're fine.
Except me. Babe, how was your day?
It was great, babe. I took the kids to vacation Bible school, and then I came and met you at physical therapy, and then I came home and I had kids run around like crazy for 8 hours.
Sounds fun.
Yeah, babe. It's
kinda hot in here.
Insert that little meme that you sent me yesterday.
Okay, we'll insert the meme now.
It's true.
Trying to make the Cali sauce from the viral video.
Yeah, I mean, I'm totally actually just making it up.
So that's mayonnaise.
So, yeah.
Oh boy, man. This
And
is
I'm
really
assuming that if it's usually anything pink that's a sauce related comes with
Sriracha.
sriracha and mayonnaise as their base. So I might add a little bit of cilantro.
Cilantro, mayo, and sriracha to make the Cali sauce.
Yeah.
Because you Googled it and couldn't figure it out.
I Googled it and I couldn't figure it out. Yeah. Kind of looks like it, yeah.
Yeah, kind of. I mean,
I'm gonna add a little lime in there too. For fun. It's perfect.
that's the face of a perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's be honest.
What?
Was it perfect?
It's just spicy.
Oh, I like spicy though.
I like spicy.
So now it's time to cook your nudes.
We're gonna cook
Cup of noodles, beef flavored.
Cup of noodles coming in hot. Out. So we're gonna put the cabbage in. I don't know how much.
That's enough. That's enough. I don't even like cabbage. That's fine.
Okay, babe, I'm gonna drain the noodles next. Because we don't want any of the wet beef juice in there. Do you think the kids are gonna eat this?
Well, yeah, I think they love steak, so. You could leave a couple bigger pieces too, I think. Because it's all gonna mix in and make a.
Okay, next up, noodles.
The nudes?
The nudes. Okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and hand mix. I washed my hands, okay?
Oh, thank goodness you washed your hands. Oh, okay.
I think we need more cabbage.
Nah, I'm good. I'm good. Maybe more cilantro.
Okay.
Okay, tell me when to stop.
I think you do all of it.
No.
You're
way.
getting it like everywhere, babe.
I know. I like to make a mess.
Oh, okay.
Holy moly, this is health.
My sister used to put
This is
cheese
health.
in her top ramen.
Babe, I'm not gonna lie to you, that looks fantastic. You're loading the cup back up. Cheese, cabbage, cilantro, nudes, carne. Oh yeah, babe. Recreation. Oh yeah, what's that, pico? Mm-hmm. Oh, you're doing the pico and then you're gonna do the Cali sauce on top of it?
Mm-hmm, and a lime wedge.
You do a little bit of lime.
Oh, we forgot the cojita cheese.
That's okay, there's epic cheese in it. Of course you have to eat it with chopsticks. And now, babe, I'm a hot mess coming home from work. We're gonna scroll the final portrait picture now! Oh, great. How is it, babe?
It's good.
The Cali sauce I thought was amazing.
Thank you.
Babe, it has lime, Cali sauce, pico, carne, nudes, all kinds of stuff. It's actually the flavor of like
It
the
needs
mixture.
to be called babe sauce because that's not real Cali sauce. Because
I don't know, babe, but like the flavor profile of all the infusion is pretty delicious.
That's pretty good. I like it.
You actually gave me a lot of stuff.
Do you guys like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Babe, if you want the real Southern California experience, I think that's it.
That's
I think,
pretty good.
Yeah. So thank you for watching, like and subscribe. Babe, we need more subscribers.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah.
How do we get there?
People just need to go down to the bottom, or like on the bottom of the thing it says click the that like says subscribe, or like the little thing, and then they hit the bell or
Ding.
ding. So yeah.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. Next video we do will be healthy because this was not.
That's pretty good
And I got
though.
like a zit.
It's weird.
Oh, I'm a hot mess. Anyways, see y'all later.